Yo, what's up, y'all? Salo here with Life Change Institute, bringing you Wednesday wisdom on this warming up Wednesday as you're getting your week started or halfway through, not even started, halfway through. And just trying to give some encouragement to those who are trying to find a pick-me-up to push through to the rest of the week. We hope that these words over the last few months inspire you and encourage you. And so we're trying to encourage you with some Wednesday wisdom. And I've been messing with an idea for the last week or so of this recipe for success. When we look at success, I want to know what goes into your recipe for success. Just like baking, just like any recipe, there's some elements in there that you didn't think were going to work with the bigger picture. And I challenge you this morning to think that one of the ingredients in your recipe for success is failure. Why? Because like baking soda and cake, like salt, like eggs that are raw, failure is just raw and rough and just gets all over. And it has this sort of nature to it that says this doesn't work in my overall plan. But failure is necessary. It's a necessary ingredient for success because it teaches you so much: resilience, perseverance, respect, strength. And I want to know not just that ingredient for success, but in your recipe for success, what are the ingredients that you find that you need in your overall recipe for success? Many people bake in a different way. Many people cook in a different way. I want to know your recipe for success. Maybe you never thought about it like that, but there's some elements in your recipe, and they can't all be good things. There's got to be some balance. There's got to be a little bit of this and some of that, but there's a recipe to it. And I want to know what your ingredients are, because you will have success. If you are determined to pursue and seek out and gain that success and bake that success, if you will, you're going to have it. But I want to know the ingredients. Your ingredients may be something that somebody else needs to hear so that they include that in their recipe for success as they're trying to get into this. So this Wednesday, be encouraged and know that I know that you're making something and that the ingredients are all there and that the overall outcome is going to be success. It's going to be your strength. It's going to be your strength. But I want to know the ingredients. So leave me a comment, leave me a question. But what are the ingredients to your success? I pray that you're encouraged today, and I pray that you're encouraged every day, and as you continue to transform your life to what it was meant to be, know that Life Change is riding with you, and I'm proud of you. Later.